Vietnamese cooking class in Hoi An. Here we go.
The day was split into 4 parts. First, we went to the market where we got to learn about local food and got to try some local food.
And then we got to go in coconut boats and got spun around quite quickly.
Then we headed to the school where we got to start cooking our food.
And then we got to eat the food. It was so yummy.
Inside shrimp, and my dear thick one, the tapioca, and inside mung bean or green bean. You know green bean, right? And the last one, yeah, thick one dessert. Outside tapioca and inside coconut. And ginger, sugar, this one sweeter, yeah? Yeah, the first, I hope you try.
Yeah, but it's a lot of hours, no?
Yeah, a long time. So thick one, yeah? 18, pan, Tom. 18. Ăn thôi cái lăn cái mày đi rồi. Rồi. Thì ra lắm cái này. Đó là thấy mà. Rồi, cái này ra cái small đó,
Very chewy. Better than the one I had in Hawaii.
Ja, maar die is papier allemaal. Maar die is nog net allemaal.
I didn't know it was going to be hot until it was in my mouth.
My dear, you see? Outside black, inside purple. My dear, if you eat the fried spring roll in the restaurant, they only do for you potato or sweet potato. Because you know, this one is cheaper. 1 kilo this one, we buy about 3 or 4 kilo this one. In my home for the fried spring roll, I do for you with taro. And my dear, if you eat the Vietnamese curry, ice cream, bubble tea, right? Do from this one. Very yummy. Yeah. Oh, this one only in the morning and this one yesterday. Yeah. Oh, you see, my dear, you see they save right. Because this one is cheaper more than this one.
Yeah.
My dear, this again, please.
That one's fresher?
It is fresh. Yeah, this one is not fresh. Okay, my dear. You see here. Okay. 1 kilo, this one about 230 or 50. But this one about 150 for 1 kilo. Yeah. And my dear, this one, do you know what is that? You have in your country?
Apple.
Apple.
It's so
okay,
small.
this one green apple. But this one you don't have in your country. We call rose apple. And this one not so dirty. You eat this one like cucumber. Inside only water and very very soft. My dear, do you want to try in my home?
Yes.
Yeah, why not?
We're on a coconut boat, guys.
Oh yeah! Ole, ole. Wow! Ole! Hare, 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 yeah! Hare, hare. Yes, okay. Hare, 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 hare. Oh yeah! Wow! Party! Yeah! Whoa! Wow!
It felt like I was on like one of the balls at the like pubs and stuff, like the buckaroo balls.
Ole, 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 ole. Yo, yo, yo. Ole, ole, ole. Wow.
You look so confused.
Yo, 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 yo. Wow.
Ben's gone fishing.
Yo, yo, yo. Ole, ole,
I'm not really a fishing guy, I'll be honest.
Yo, yo, yo.
We get to take a picture of what fish you got at the end.
Yo, yo, yo.
That's the
Wow.
end. Yeah?
Aya. No. Wait, it's okay. Wait. Ay. Yeah.
Oh, Ben.
Yo, yo, yo. Ole, ole, ole.
Yo, yo, yo. Ole, ole, ole.
We found
Wow.
Yay.
Yeah, okay.
Dinner sauce.
Glad the tide wasn't any higher. I think we're here.
There's a stone, but I don't know how to navigate it.
Cow bone, big bone. A long time ago, before in Vietnam, I use buffalo bone. You recall what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's only important.
Yeah.
I want you to remember, it's very important in your home when you come back. If you don't know how to clean the bone, the broth is never the same as ours. Okay? So how we clean? First, you take them from supermarket. You let them in the salty water.
Okay.
Salty water for every 30 minutes to 1 hour. Some Vietnamese even add wine inside. Not too much soda, guys. And after you put in the salty water, you take them out, clean the filter, and prepare hot water. Hot water add on the bone inside, add a little bit of shallot and ginger. Boil them for about 10 minutes. Take them out, wash them filter. They start to okay, got it? Yeah. Now check the water for combine 5 flavor. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami.
So what does this do?
The rice, he's grinding the rice.
Oh.
See, lots of milk, and good job.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Easy.
Oh, that's actually harder than I thought.
Lower, Paris. You can lower. Lower. Yes. Wait, man, come on. Now, please stop. Turn it way around, please. Yeah, like that. Easy, but it's not easy.
It looks easy.
Everybody did almost everything. Like that, smooth.
So easy.
So easy. Yeah, a lot of milk, Ben. Good job, Ben.
Thank you, I'm good at milking it.
So this one only from rice milk. Cheaper rice paper. I mean for sumo roll, fresh roll is good, but for fried one it's very oily, very chewy, right? And this one crispy, crunchy, and not oily. But only good place, good restaurant they use this one first. Because it's made from tapioca, sticky rice. Most of the time with wheat flour, but today no wheat flour, water, salt, sugar. And you know guys, this one why expensive? Because this one only one small village in Mekong Delta River they can make them.
This meal is perfect. Yeah.
Which one was
So this one very liquid. This one is good. This one is liquid. This one is
Gentle Ben.
Yes. Out and out. Yes.
Bit thick.
It's good. Out and out.
Careful. Don't burn yourself. Is it hot? Sit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's
okay, anyone, are you ready?
so cool.
Okay. Now can you
Do we need to flip?
They're looking better than mine. And this oil looks better.
After 30 seconds, Robin, flip your
Flip it?
How do you know when to flip?
After 30 seconds, Robin, flip your count.
No?
No,
Should we do it now?
yeah, definitely.
I think so. No?
Yeah.
Oops.
I feel like it just went back to the other way. Oh, it's so cute.
I still think yours look better than mine.
How do you know when to take it out? The colour
Brown. And then
But
you will
the,
flip
but the
twice
rice
again.
flavor, the rice flavor is still white, but inside brown. I will show you. Because our rice flavor, we don't add a lot of sugar.
Okay.
And in the restaurant they have like reduced oil so the color like golden. Okay, Robin, again, Robin.
Thank you.
Your sauce over there, yes? This is her sauce, yeah? Oh, this is golden. I used to be gluten free. I used to be vegan, no oil, no sugar, and gluten free. Oh my god. So in my whole web, gluten free soya. I know about it very well. Before I ate bunny bread, I feel hot my belly. So I didn't bend, so I didn't eat it. But now, after I got pregnant, everything okay, so I come back to it.
The maximum and everyone. Yes, salad don't make too long, about 10 seconds or 15 seconds it finish. Because if you make too long, it's not sour.
And then,
Yeah, put the soup inside. Yeah. And
wow.
Yeah.
I'm going to sell that from the street.
Oh, happy water.
Happy water.
Homemade sauce, very good. Not so professional.
Yeah, plate, thank you so much. Yeah, can you help me to plate? Yeah, thank you. Okay, everyone. This fish you will grill about 10 to 15 minutes. Depend the fish you will grill. Bigger you will grill more time. And about 1 minute, can you flip on other side? Every 1 minute. In your home, if you don't have this lid, can you do with silver paper? Tin foil, yeah. But there, if you do with silver paper, can you do with small hole? Because if you don't do, the water will not go out. When you eating, look like steam.
Yeah, more half, more half.
Half more?
Half. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Welcome. Yeah.
Yes, beautiful. One more time, brother. You see? Okay, anyone. They have me low fire, low fire first. Low fire first.
Okay, can you put it and don't touch me, yeah? Then like this, Maria, like this. You get the mouth, yeah.
1 spoon? 2 spoon. Yeah.
It didn't really work.
Make again.
I mean, it doesn't work.
No, just to make sure it's set.
Oh,
Because it's super thin, so it's good.
I don't think it had enough time in the other.
Take your plate, follow me. Let's go to the table. We eat more like sticky rice, banh mi, khao lao, or mi quán. Before you restaurant, except the gluten free. Okay, sorry, girl. Enjoy, guys.
So eerst dit en dan staat er.
What's this?
Ja, wat?
Yellow mango.
Wat is er nou allemaal?
All the handsome men on the table. Listen, in Vietnam, if you are a good man, a gentleman, you need to roll for your husband.
Jongens,
I think I put too much in it.
You got it already.
ik snap het even niet meer. En nu? Dit ook.
No, we did it.
En dan? Wat is die saus?
Good.
Better than Bannock in Ho Chi Minh? Yeah.
It's more like the one we tried at the dog stop.
Ah. Now, someone who doesn't like it, this is going to be interesting.
Really nice.
Yeah, it's like that.
Some morning glory, guys.
Bit of morning glory.
I don't understand what that is.
No idea.
I don't want to rest, my mom is still hungry.
Oh no, there's dessert. Veel hè? Lekker. Zo lekker. It's so good.
On the barbecue for a while, yeah?
I'm okay, thank you.
That's really good.
You eat lunch with some?
No.
I think you want to have one.
I didn't eat.
Because she's not, it's like loads of expectations.
She's not a big eater.
Oh, dragon fruit. That's foamy. It was really fun. So good.
I'm really full. That was actually a really great day. We paid 1.4 million Vietnamese dong, which, yeah, it was still raining. Paid 1.4 million Vietnamese dong, which is just over £20 each, but that was one of the best days I think we've had on the trip.
Yeah, it was so good. Pregnant now.
Would you like to be spun in a coconut boat? What was your favourite thing that we ate?
30 seconds, beat about 30 seconds, turn off the fire, and now black pepper inside, yeah?